All right, pause for a second. Imagine I wake up tomorrow and everything is gone. No money, no job, no followers, no connections, not even a proper laptop, just some cheap, slow machine that sounds like it's about to explode. I got 90 days, a deadline, a clock ticking, and someone looks me in the eye and says, make $5,000 online, or you lose. Most people would start crying or panicking. Me, I'd crack a smile and say, bet, let's run it. Because in 2025, making money online isn't luck. It's a formula, a cheat code, a mindset most people never tap into. So today, I'm going to break down exactly how I'd make my first $5,000 online starting from absolute rock bottom. This is the blueprint people would charge for. You're getting it for free. Let's lock in. Here's the first reality check. People don't fail because making money online is too hard. People fail because they're scrolling 6 hours a day, starting 10 hustles and finishing 0. You don't need 100 skills, you need 1. If I'm starting from nothing, I'm laser focused, locked in like my life depends on it, because it kinda does. First 72 hours, I'm learning a money skill. Not surveys, not watching ads, not some app that pays pennies. I'm talking about real skills like short-form video editing, thumbnail design, TikTok content repurposing, social media management, AI content creation, or simple website building. These are the skills people are begging for in 2025. Fastest route to 5,000. Editing plus thumbnails plus AI content. So for 3 days straight, I'm learning. No Netflix, no distractions. No, I'll start tomorrow. Day 3, I'm already good enough to get paid. Next up is building proof. People don't pay you because you say you're good. They pay because you show them you're good. So I build a small portfolio fast. If I'm editing, I make 5 viral style clips. If I'm doing thumbnails, I recreate 5 banger thumbnails. If I'm doing social media, I run a fake local business page for 3 days. No fancy website, no PDF, just a clean Google Drive folder with examples. Next comes client hunting mode. I'm not waiting, I'm not begging, I'm hunting. Here's exactly where I'd go. TikTok creators with 10 to 100,000 followers, Instagram business pages, gyms, burgers, cafes, realtors, Facebook business groups, Upwork, Fiverr, and local businesses through email. Here's the message I'd send. Yo, I took one of your videos and made a better version. If you want 10 more like this every week, I got you. Value first, talk later. Send this 50 to 100 times. You only need 2 or 3 clients to start. Now let's talk money. You don't need 50 clients. You need a few good ones. Here's my pricing. 75 to 150 per edit, 200 to 400 per weekly editing package, 100 per thumbnail, 300 to 700 per month for social media management, 150 to 250 for AI content bundles. Watch this. 2 clients at 300 per week is $2,400 a month. 1 thumbnail client is $300 a month. 1 AI content client is $200 a month. That's $2,900 a month. 2 months is more than $5,000. Next step is scaling. Once I have a couple clients, I raise prices every month, outsource some editing to cheaper editors, and move clients to monthly contracts. This is how small hustles turn into real online businesses. If I want to speed things up, I drop a simple digital product like viral TikTok hooks, thumbnail templates, AI content packs, or social media starter kits, priced between $10 and $29. 100 sales is $1,000 to $2,000 extra. Now the final push. At this point, I have proof, clients, confidence, and systems. Last 30 days, I DM more businesses, upsell current clients, and offer bundles like editing plus thumbnails plus captions. By now, 5,000 isn't a dream, it's done. Here's the truth. Making money online isn't hard anymore. What's hard is staying focused when everyone else quits after 3 days. Pick a skill, build proof, send messages every day. You will get clients. You will make money. You will hit 5,000. This is exactly how I would do it starting from nothing. Now it's your turn. Lock in and go get your bag.